And we're back to learning Illustrator in year day 189. Let me show the 3D Revolve. We start yet again with a rectangle. We go to Effect, 3D and Materials, Extrude and Bevel, and it's the third option right here under 3D Type. And this creates these typical 3D bar effects, and you can use right here the angle to adjust how far this goes. So it's a full circle at 360 degrees. And you can set that here. Twist creates abstract shapes. It's the same as with the extrude. It rotates every of these little copies that are generated. The offset in this case allows us to create a donut effect. And this is now basically the hollow effect. So the cap that I've shown you in the last video doesn't have an impact here anymore due to the size, but you can achieve that using the offset. You can still rotate it right here, X, Y, Z, and perspective. So if you need, for example, an isometric rotation, use this right here. But in general, this can only be used, or this is usually only useful with simple shapes. When we create an example text element, this is already too complex because it takes every single anchor point and rotates it now. Number one is this takes a lot of processing power. You can see I have to wait here a little bit until Illustrator has done what it does in the background. And you can see every single of these anchor points now gets a 360-degree rotation. Therefore, we have multiple of these circles. And depending on how complex your shape is, there's just a convoluted mess where every of these circles overlap one another. So that's basically just an effect for simple shapes, like for example the rectangle that I've used. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.